How are you all? Actually, my English not good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Lord of my appeals. Give me this opportunity. I don't know how I explain my journey. This just second minute before my upline called me, just share your journey. I wondering what totally how I share. I don't know English. I don't know Hindi, anything. But I don't know what I said. Okay. Actually, thank God give me this amazing opportunity for the QNAT because I believe every people are possible success your life because couple of years before I starting this business I thought my life is struggling every 12 years I work in corporate but I depending people. Some people are ask me, you want move your job, you look other company because I thinking already I from India because independent country this one but till I depending someone because I want change my life. That time I applied Mr. Jalil gave me this opportunity. I know this person 10 years. He's my company salesman. He prospecting me, but I go this in Dubai. I'm working in Dubai. That time I go in Burjuman. My working appliance Mr. Abhilash Bhai. I meet him, but I don't know which company this one because I 100% believe Mr. Jalil. He is my close friend. I asked Mr. Abhilash Bhai, sir, I don't want which company this one, which kind of product you selling, how to you selling, I don't want. Because I have 3 compelling reasons in my life. I thought, okay. He said, okay, no problem. What is your reason? Why you want to start this business? I explained to him. Maybe Mr. Jalil starting couple of months ago, maybe he don't know. I think this is my thought process. He don't know how to grow this industry. I asked him, you have a lot of experience in this industry because I have big company, 3 reasons. That is why I want to start this business. First one, I want to become better son my parents. That time he asked me, why? You never sending money in India? Yes, of course, I sending money. You never calling? Yes, I calling. But I asked him, this I sending money, I call to my parents. This only better son? Huh? Yes. Ask me for what? What do you think? That time I explained to him. This I see lot of people in working UAE. He's lost his family life because talk to Malayalam also. This എനിക്കെൻ്റെ പാരൻസിൻ്റെ എൻ്റെ ഉപ്പാൻ്റെ ഉമ്മയുടെയും നല്ലൊരു മകനായി മാറുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ അപ്ലൈനോട് ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചു, എനിക്ക് നല്ല മകനായി മാറുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടത് ആദ്യമായിട്ട് എൻ്റെ പാരൻസിൻ്റെ പ്രസൻറ്റ്. എൻ്റെ പാരൻസിന് എപ്പോഴാണ് എന്നെ ആവശ്യമുള്ളത് ആ സമയത്ത് അവരെ മുമ്പിലേക്ക് എനിക്ക് എത്തണം. ബിക്കോസ് വെൻ വി നീഡ് മൈ പ്രസൻറ്റേഷൻ മൈ പാരൻസ് ഐ വോണ്ട് റീച്ച് ദർ. Because I work in any company that is not possible. Because I depending on company. Because I want more permission for the company manager, each and every people. So I want ഡു ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. എൻ്റെ പേരൻസിൻ്റെ എപ്പോഴാണ് എൻ്റെ പേരൻസിന് ഇന്ന ആവശ്യം, ആ സമയത്ത് എനിക്ക് അവരെ മുമ്പിൽ എത്തണം എന്നുള്ളതായിരുന്നു എൻ്റെ ആഗ്രഹം. ആൻഡ് സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ, I want to become better husband, my wife. You know, this, my wife also that time in Dubai, but I'm not good husband. Because almost people are focusing 100%, calculate 100% per day. He thinking, all people are thought processing 100 per 80%, all mindset is job. Focusing job, only 20% family. I know I have some experience because my wife and me also together going shopping. That time just leaving the flat, that time I got the call for my manager. Dinesh, please come. What I do? I can't possible. I want going for the purchasing like that, not possible. And send back my wife in flat after I go my job. Tell me, I am good husband? No. നമ്മളുടെ ഭാര്യക്ക് നല്ല ഹസ്ബൻഡായി മാറുന്നുണ്ട്. അവരെല്ലാ ആഗ്രഹങ്ങളും നമുക്ക് സാധിപ്പിച്ചു കൊടുക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നില്ല. നമ്മൾ കൂടുതൽ പ്രിയോറിറ്റി കൊടുക്കുന്നത് നമ്മളെ ജോലിയിലാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഹൗ ലോങ് ഐ വാക്കിംഗ് സംവെയർ? I know I 10 year or 12 year or 15 year or 20 years working in corporate career. In case I lost my job, I directly come my family. That time my family asked me, where are you? Very long time. Why you coming now? Then I starting begging. Please scare me. I don't have money. Okay, where is your money? My family may be asking. I see a lot of people, because that time I do some small charity also for some KMCC like that. No, I see a lot of old people struggling, because the second one, this one, first one, I want to become better son, my parents, and second one, I want to become better husband, my wife, and third one, I want to become better father, my children. Because now I see a lot of fathers, he don't know this strength and weakness his children's. Ask some fathers, you know your children's strength and weakness? I don't know. Can I discuss this, ma'am? After I tell you. I saw this. Because I am also teaching in school in Ajman. I know lot of parents coming, fathers coming after. What is your children's? What is your children's positive and negative, strength and weakness? He don't know. He want convince the mother. Because I don't want like father. I want better father. That is why this three things. That is why I want to start this business. You know, my family, my father and my father brother, every people are working UAE. Because I see a lot of struggling. Still, can I imagine? I see a lot of people in India, in my village, ex-Gulf people, calling ex-Gulf people. That people still struggling. I ask, you working 20 years in Dubai, but till you struggling? Yes, still I am struggling. Where you send money? But that people telling, I help my sister, daughter's marriage and making house. Every money is go. But till this person alone. I realized a lot of that one. Can I talk Malayalam? Something? അധികം ആൾക്കാരും പ്രോബ്ലം എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിക്കണം, നിങ്ങൾ അറിയില്ല, 20 വയസ്സ് കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് ശേഷം ഒരു 45 ഏജ് വരെ അവരവരെ ബോഡി ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തു മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യും. ജിമ്മ്, അതുപോലെ ഡേറ്റ്സ്, ഇതൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട്. പക്ഷെ 45 ഏജ് ആയതിനു ശേഷമാണ് അയാൾ ബാക്കിലോട്ട് തിരിഞ്ഞു നോക്കുക. അപ്പം എന്തായിട്ടുണ്ടാവും? മക്കളൊക്കെ വലുതായിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, വീട് പണി പകുതിയിൽ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അന്ന് അയാൾ പിന്നെ ഡേറ്റ്സും അതുപോലെ ജിമ്മൊക്കെ നിർത്തിയിട്ട് പിന്നെ ലൈഫും കൊണ്ട് ഓടാൻ തുടങ്ങും. 45 ഏജിന് ശേഷം അയാൾ പിന്നെ ആരോഗ്യം നോക്കാതെയാണ് പിന്നെ ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, നമ്മൾ ഓരോരുത്തർ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഞാൻ റിയലൈസ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. ഞാൻ പല ആൾക്കാരും, എൻ്റെ കൂടെ എല്ലാ ആൾക്കാരോടും എല്ലാവരോടും ഞാൻ പറയുന്നതാണ്, നമ്മളെ ആരോഗ്യം മറന്ന് നമ്മൾ ജീവിക്കും. 45 ഏജിന് ശേഷം നമ്മളെ ആരോഗ്യം മറന്നാണ് ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ ബിസിനസ് ആകെ 3 to 5 ഇയേഴ്സിലെ ബിസിനസ് പ്രോജക്റ്റ് ആണ്. ഈ ഇനീഷ്യലി 3 to 5 ഇയേഴ്സിൽ ഇനീഷ്യലി 2 ഇയേഴ്സോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 3 ഇയേഴ്സോ നമ്മൾ സ്ട്രഗിൾ ചെയ്യാൻ റെഡി ആയാൽ നമ്മളെ ലൈഫ് സെറ്റാണ്. അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എഫേർട്ട്. How many laborers coming UAE? 2 years contract, employee contract, 2 years. But that people are struggling lot of. But that person not sharing anyone. I never had food. I never get good sleep. I never get good accommodation. Never complain. You know why? This person know one day I success my life. But this business also compare that one. Struggle. We are facing lot of struggle. But I believe myself. I believe myself. Because a lot of uplands are so happy in his life. That is why I am so desperately doing this business. You know, beginning, my salary is very low. Now, thank God, more than 15,000 dirham I earn. Because now I book my Mercedes also in Dubai. Only this business, trust me, this business help your life, change your life, change your family life. Because this not only your changing, this your family changing business. That is why I tell you. Because thought process totally different. Now I am so happy, my parents happy. Beginning, my family against, my village people are against. But I do some change, people are asking different tone. Bro, I don't know what you do. Yes, you don't know why you share that one before. First of all, study what I do. First of all, study, after you share people. Now I do better charity. My village, all people are follow me. Now all parents tell me, you know, please adding my son your business. Because I don't want money. Because I want better son my life. That is why now. Thank you lot of. Because thank you lot of my uplands. I don't know. Otherwise, this upline never give me this opportunity. Still I struggling maybe in corporate. Maybe lot of people are struggling somewhere. Please help people.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.